Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Quick Guide. Today's video is on how to download and install spending tracker app on your mobile phone, which helps to manage your money well and make progress towards your goals. To do so, follow some simple steps which I will show you. Firstly, make sure your Wi-Fi is connected. Now open Play Store or App Store and search for spending tracker. You can see the app here, spending tracker. Take control of your money. Click on the download arrow to download it. It will take some time to get downloaded depending upon the internet connection. You can see the app has been downloaded. Click on the open button to open it. Click on the allow button to get notification from spending tracker. Now this application is ready to use. Use it and manage your expenses. So that's all for this video. If you find our video helpful, please leave a like and please do not forget to subscribe our channel and also hit the bell icon for our latest videos and drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I will see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.